If you're the average American producing 4.4 pounds of waste per day, then going zero waste probably seems impossible. But don't worry, because we are right here to help you through it. Below, we're going to be going through a few of the essential items that you'll need to go zero waste. And spoiler, you probably already have a couple of them. Now the first one are tote bags. Tote bags are a very common alternative to plastic grocery bags, and many stores even offer incentives to use one. Just remember that it takes a lot of resources to create tote bags, and if you don't use a tote bag for at least a few years, plastic bags end up having a smaller carbon footprint. Now the next are toothbrush and toothpaste tubes. Believe it or not, toiletries make up a large part of the landfill, and a great place to start cutting back is with your toothbrush and toothpaste tube. Now, while there are many compostable toothbrushes, many times the bristles are made of nylon, which is not compostable, so be sure to watch out for that. You can also look into making your own toothpaste, and there are many tutorials online for how to do just that. Now, the next being reusable dishes and silverware. While most people have glass dishes and reusable silverware at home, to go zero waste, you might want to consider purchasing foldable silverware, and which you can use on the go. Also, if you don't like the idea of drinking water straight out of the glass, you should get a reusable straw if you don't have one already. The next item we're going to be looking at are handkerchiefs. Now, I know what you're thinking. There is no way I'm going to use a handkerchief to wipe my nose. It's so unsanitary and so on and so forth. Now, if you don't like the idea of using a handkerchief, make sure you compost your used tissues. However, using a handkerchief could easily eliminate a lot of the paper waste you produce. Our fifth item that we're going to be looking at are reusable glass jars. Many people who follow a zero waste lifestyle will swear by using mason jars for everything because they have so many uses. They can be used as easy food storage, as a cup of water, and so many other everyday uses. These are a must if you want to go zero waste. And now our sixth and final item is a reusable water bottle. There's a good chance you already have a reusable water bottle that you use regularly, and while they may be a little expensive, they will end up saving you money in the long term. Like tote bags, make sure you use these bottles for a while if possible. Now that is it for this video. Thank you so much for listening, and I really hope you learned something and go out and purchase these items so you can also go zero waste. If you have any questions or any other items that you found to be helpful in going zero waste, please leave them in the comment section down below and check out our other videos. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.